We're at a place here now called 888 Mall, is that right?
Yes, 888 Chinatown Mall.
Okay. So we have one in Iloilo. They built a new one in Iloilo City. Pretty small. It got a couple floors. But this thing is gigantic. It goes all the way down here at this end, through here, and then back on the other side you'll see a walkway over the street, and that hits another building. What has happened is I lost my software, my movie maker software, and the files are corrupted. There's no support for it anymore, so I've got to change programs. And I understand that there's some special hardware here, or software, that I can get real cheap, like 100 pesos for a big full working program. So we're going in now. We're going to take a look. Maybe I can get a couple of clips of the place for you. So here we are. We're off to 8888. Yende. Yeah. Thank you. Rose is negotiating for a new case for her camera. Okay. Did you find out where the software is? And they have no shortage of shoes here. Yeah. Guys, shoes are us here. There's thousands and thousands of shoes in here. And this is just a small section of the stores. More in here. Genuine Nikes, I'm sure. Yeah?
So I am looking at bikini, so if I found it, I will go and wear for the swimming.
I thought you said you weren't going swimming. You can put an earplug in there. I mean, you take a shower every day, so you can't tell me anymore that you can't go swimming. And you don't have to drop your head down in the water.
What I have to do is just right there, soaking.
And look, guys, just when you thought there weren't any more shoes left, we got another shoe shop.
No, she.
Ah, maybe back here.
Oh, you having a video stop?
Opo,
Why?
I'm a tourist.
Okay. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Have fun.
I am. Met a lovely young lady that was running. She gave us some information about where to find that software. So we're going to try to find it.
Actually, I think the one that is I show you, that's the other one.
Well, we didn't find any software here, but we certainly found our share of the shoes. I don't know if I can ever remember seeing that many shoes in one place in my life, but they sure have a bunch. Now we're going to try to go over the road and see if we can find them over there. Okay, we are on the other side of the road now. We found that passageway to that walkover. We didn't find anything but shoes and some clothes on the other side, so we're over here on this side. And I'm not sure it's going to be here, but that's okay. Having a great day out here walking anyway. And in the back side of building number 2, we have another food court. There's several restaurants on the right, several restaurants on the left. Okay, you promise? I'll wait you. Well, lots of food over here too. It's a little better food court than the other side. And then down here is Pure Gold grocery store, supermarket in the back over here. And then right here beside the elevator, they've got a stage. They do a lot of performances here, a lot of gigs for their kids. Today, it looks like they've got a plant show going on. Plant sales. Makes you look pretty. And up above it, there's a Unitop. They've got a lot of low-end merchandise. Some of the stuff's okay. You've got to be careful with what you get, of course. I've had fairly good luck with what I've got there. I got antennas, plates, dishes, glasses, stuff like that is good. Oh, they've got another food court back in the back. Well, we've got a lot of walking to do yet, so we might as well get underway. Look and explore.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Well, we traveled both sides of the road, both sides of the highway, through the hallways, just about every place in here. We didn't find any software. Don't know about the software or whether it's legal or not. I was just going to look at it. But I think what we'll do is probably head over to SM City and get a legal copy of something. But I need to be able to make this video, and I've only got one program left on the laptop. So once I get a bug in that software, it's gone, and I've got to have a replacement. And my software of choice right now is Filmora. Called Filmora, oh, I can't think of it, but it's Filmora software. It's really good from what I've seen of it. I tried a sample version of it, but I think I'm going to go ahead and buy it. I can get it online for $41. Okay, folks, thanks a lot for coming along on my Philippine journey.